This is Hank Sawatsky, CEO of Sylvan Point Technologies. Hank is the developer of a dynamic new patented process of direct digital inkjet printing. What does it do for you? Direct digital inkjet printing allows you to apply 5 color graphics to promotional and retail products, particularly on cylindrical shapes such as writing instruments, glass, ceramic and plastic drinkware, and metalware. High-speed DIJ printing, in addition to vastly superior graphics, offers much lower production costs. No color separation, no screen making, no setup costs mean ink costs are lower. With the Sylvan DIJ process, switching from one order to the next takes just seconds. These cost reductions and higher productivity will create in most cases a payback in less than a year. Here are examples of pens using the Sylvan process. This sample illustrates conventional graphics at the clip area. The next sample demonstrates a wrap around the clip, showing how close to the clip printing can be done. Here is a seamless wrap. Then we have a full wrap, seamless, resulting in a print up to 4.24 inches. Finally, we have a print on the clip. Our first printer is the Sylvan 500. It's in a tinted acrylic enclosure that reduces dust and shields the operator from ultraviolet light. Order details and graphics are entered into a computer in the art department. Then art-ready information is entered into a computer card. It is then inserted into the computer, which drives the DIJ printer, which is fully automatic. It has 8 grayscale capabilities, a printing resolution range of 900 to 1200 dpi, which is near photo quality, for example, printing a person's face on a pen. Registration accuracy is plus or minus 0.00025 inches, which is 1/12 the size of a pixel. This Sylvan pen printer is designed for approximate throughput ranging from 360 to 500 an hour. Now a description of the Sylvan 500 DIJ printer. The conveyor is width adjustable to accommodate the longest and shortest pen. Pens can be fed manually or from a typical feeder, dispensing 1 pen at a time onto the conveyor, which has variable speed control. Pens then travel and rotate under a flame treater where the width of treatment is adjustable. Pens are lifted pneumatically 1 at a time from the conveyor and placed into a mandrel which carries the pen through the printing process. The Sylvan printer applies 5 ink colors in sequence: white, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Our printer features highly specialized print heads which are capable of print speeds of 15 inches a second. As the mandrel carries the pen under the first station, the white print head, it comes to a stop. Then it's rotated by a stepper motor while ink is deposited, then rotates once again to deposit more ink. The stop, rotate, and print is repeated for each color as the pen is transferred under the stationary print heads. The surface tension of many products being decorated requires a partial cure of the ink immediately after printing each color. This is called pinning. Pinning holds the dot pattern in place until all colors are printed using ultraviolet light emitted from LEDs, a new exfo process. Finally, the pen is rotated under high-intensity UV light, instantly curing the inks. Pens are then placed back onto the conveyor, then dropped into a carton. This Sylvan printer was developed in response to industry demand for ease of converting from one pen design to another. The result is the promotional product industry can now profitably produce small quantity orders that require quick service. It's a trade-off: slower production in favor of flexible production scheduling, and at the same time, high productivity with very brief stoppage between orders. Sylvan Point Technologies will sincerely welcome your company as a customer. We look forward to helping you to become a leader in the field of this great new technology.